What if the seeds of hope you planted grew into something beyond your wildest dreams? In the shadows of ancient Indonesia, legends speak of a little girl, a giant, an old woman, and the power of magic. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Fatimah Arumadina from MTS and Surakarta 1. Are you ready to discover the secrets hidden within the golden cucumber? Let me guide you into the enchanting tale of Timun Mas. A long time ago, there was a widow named Borondo. Since her husband had passed away, she had to live by herself. She felt lonely often, so she prayed to God every day, wishing for a child to keep her company. Suddenly, the giant named Butojo came to Borondo. I can give you a child, but in one condition. You should give the child back to me when it is 17 years old. Really, Butojo? You'll give me a child? Thank you so much. Borondo felt joyful when she accepted the giant's offer. The giant gave her cucumber seeds and asked her to plant them all around her house. She did it the next day, following every instruction. Within days, the seeds turned into healthy cucumber plants. To her surprise, one huge golden cucumber appeared. Borondo, amazed by its size and color, carefully picked the golden cucumber and brought it back to her home. With care, she sliced it, and he was so surprised that a cute baby girl was inside. Oh my God! But she was right. What a beautiful baby you are. Then she named the baby with Timun Mas. She loved her really much. Years passed and Timun Mas has grown to be a beautiful, kind and smart girl. Even though she was happy, Borondo often worried about her promise she had made with the giant. The feeling that I'm losing her forever, and without really entering her world. I'm glad whenever I can share her laughter, that funny little girl. One day, Borondo went to the holy man to ask for help, so that Timun Mas would not be taken by the giant. The holy man gave 4 little bags to Borondo. I have 4 bags for her. They are cucumber seeds, needles, salt, and shrimp paste. Tell her to open and use it one by one. These bags can help her. A few days later, after Timun Mas had turned 17, the giant came back to Borondo's house to ask for the promise. It's been a while, Borondo. I'm here to collect your promise. Give me the child right now. I'm really starving, said the giant. Borondo was scared. I'm sorry, Butojo. I don't know where she is now, said Borondo to the giant. You think I will trust you? Call her right now. Borondo just nodded her head and walked inside the house. She approached her daughter and told her to run from the back door and took the bags from the holy man with her. When the giant realized that, he was so angry and rushed towards Timun Mas. Hey, where are you going? You can run away from me, little girl. As the giant got closer, Timun Mas quickly opened her first bag and scattered the cucumber seeds. They magically sprouted into an enormous cucumber field, distracting the giant who devoured them all. This gave her time to run, but also made him even stronger. She then threw the needles from her second bag, which transformed into a forest of thorny bamboos. The giant was scratched and bled, but still managed to push through. Opening the third bag, she spilled salt onto the ground. Instantly, the earth turned into a deep ocean. The giant nearly drowned, but swam across it with great effort. Finally, she threw the shrimp paste from her last bag. The earth erupted into a boiling swarm of mud. Take this, potato! Yeah! Finally, the giant was trapped and slowly sank beneath the bubbling earth. Timun Mas was relieved and happy after knowing that she was safe now. Timun Mas came back to her home and lived happily ever after with Mbok Rondo. Yups, that's all for my story. Thank you for hanging out and watching to the story of Timun Mas with me. Just remember, the adventure shows us that with small courage and some clever ideas, we can get through anything, even when things get really scary. See you again soon. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.